Good day everyone. We are group number 3 and we will be presenting about basic scripting. What is basic scripting? Scripting is a way of writing code in a language that can be used to automate tasks. Scripting languages are usually interpreted, meaning that they are read and executed line by line. There are several different scripting languages, and the most popular ones include JavaScript, Python, and Bash. So how does basic scripting works? Basic scripting works by writing code in a text editor and then running the script to execute the code. Scripting languages are designed to be easy to use and understand, so they typically do not require the user to have a great deal of programming knowledge or experience. The syntax of scripting languages is usually written in plain English, making them easier to understand than more complex programming languages like C++ or Java. Scripts can be used to automate tasks, create programs, or do anything else that a program can do.
Components of scripting. 1. Variables. Variables are used to store information or data which can be used later in the script. Natay sample diri sa atong table. Ano siya? Ang variables. 2. Operators are used to perform specific operations on values or variables. Kapag itong sample diri sa table, na-type numeric value, gi-add na to siya, gi-subtract, divide, multiplication, o gi-modulus. 3. Control structures are used to control the flow of execution in a script. Sample pod, narato sample, para di kay siya gubot, tanawon. Functions are used to group related code together to perform a specific task. So each ana, nakasample po na tong table dere. Each ana nila na sila specific na task, di ba? Okay, 5 comments are used to document a script and explain what it is doing. So kani mong mga code kani mo na dire sa yung comments and sa yung kinabuhat ana nila. So error handling is used to detect and handle errors during script execution. So nara ang mga inyong kan, ang mga sayop, di ba? Next.
What is the purpose of scripting? Basic scripting is used to automate repetitive tasks and to create custom scripts that can be used to run complex operations. It is also used to develop short programs that can automate a specific task or set of tasks. Scripting languages such as Bash, Python, and JavaScript are used to write scripts that can be used to automate system administration, web development, and support testing. 10 scripting language. Number 1. JavaScript, Python, PHP, VB Ruby, Perl, TCL, Shell, AppleScript, and Lua.
Types of scripting tasks. Number one, automating task. Automating task in scripting is the process of writing a script to perform a series of actions that would otherwise need to be done manually. Scripting can be used to automate a wide range of tasks from running applications to performing complex calculations. By automating repetitive tasks, scripting can be save time and money and make more tasks efficient. The second one is the writing shell scripts. Shell scripts are written in a scripting language such as Bash or Python, and they allow you to combine multiple commands into a single script that can be run in a single command. This can be save time and effort while performing repetitive tasks. Additionally, shell scripts can be used to automate complex tasks that would otherwise require manual input. Number three, creating web pages. The creating web pages scripts in scripting is the process of writing scripts or otherwise programs in scripting languages to create web pages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or other web technologies. These scripts are used to create a layout, formatting, and interactive elements of a website, as well as to link different pages together. And by writing the scripts, web developers can create unique, dynamic web pages that can provide a better user experience. And our fourth one is the writing of batch files. Writing batch files in scripting is a process of creating scripts that automate a sequence of commands in a computer operating system. Batch files can be used to perform a variety of tasks such as running programs, of copying files, deleting files, and executing other scripts. Batch files can be used on Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. And the last one is the creating of macros. Creating macros in script is the process of creating reusable scripts that can be used to automate repetitive tasks. Macros are usually written in a scripting language such as JavaScript, VBS script, or a PowerShell. Macros can be used to perform tasks such as running a program, launching a browser, and copying and pasting data or sending an email.
The six types of scripting tasks is writing Python scripts. Writing Python scripts in scripting is the process of creating a set of instructions using the Python programming language to automate and complete tasks. Python scripts can be used to automate system administration tasks, create web applications, and build games. They can also be used to create data visualization, build machine learning models, and much more. So basically, Python scripts can be used for a variety of tasks, including system administration, web development, and game development. Python is a versatile language that can be also be used for data visualization and machine learning. The seventh type of scripting tasks is writing JavaScript scripts in scripting. Writing JavaScript in scripting is the process of creating code in the JavaScript programming language to create a script that can be used to automate tasks or create dynamic web content. It is often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create web pages and applications. Uh, Writing JavaScript scripts requires knowledge of the language syntax and data structures, as well as the ability to create functions and objects. JavaScript is a programming language that can be used to automate tasks or create dynamic web content. It is often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create websites and applications. The eighth types of scripting tasks is writing bash scripts. Writing bash scripts is a type of scripting that allows a user to create a program or set of instructions that can run on a Linux or Unix-based operating system. Bash scripts are written in the bash shell, which is a command line interpreter. Bash scripts can be used to automate many tasks such as running commands, launching programs, and more. They can also be used to make complex operations easier to perform. The bash shell is a command line interpreter that allows users to write bash scripts. Bash scripts are programs or sets of instructions that can be run on a Linux or Unix-based operating system. Bash scripts can be used to automate many tasks such as running commands, launching programs. They can also be used to make complex operations easier to perform. The ninth type of scripting task is creating VB scripts. VB scripts is a powerful scripting language that can be used to automate tasks, create programs, and automate Windows applications. It has many useful features such as looping, making decisions, and working with files and folders. VBScript is a great way to quickly and easily create scripts to automate tasks and simplify complex process. The VBScript is a powerful scripting language that can be used to automate tasks, create programs, and automate Windows applications. It has many useful features such as looping, making decisions, and working with files and folders. VBScript is a way to quickly and easily create scripts to automate tasks and simplify complex process. And the 10 types of scripting task is writing Apple scripts in scripting. Writing Apple scripts in scripting is the process of creating scripts with Apple scripts in a scripting language developed by Apple Inc. for use on Mac OS and other Apple products. Apple scripts can be used to automate the execution of tasks such as launching applications and manipulating files and folders. It can also be used to communicate with other applications, control the user interface, and perform more complex tasks.
So here are the advantages of basic scripting. Number 1, easy to use and learn. One of the main advantages of basic scripting is that it is easy to learn and use. Even those who are not experienced in programming can quickly understand the basics of scripting and use it to create simple scripts. Number 2, cost effective. Basic scripting is relatively cheap in compared to other programming languages. This means that you can find many free scripting languages available online, which can help you save on development costs. Number 3, flexible. Basic scripting languages are very flexible and can be used to write scripts for almost any platform or application. This makes it a great choice for developers who need to quickly create scripts for different platforms or applications. Number 4, compatible with other languages. Basic scripting is usually compatible with other programming languages, which means that developers can easily create scripts that can be run on multiple platforms. Number 5, reusable code. Basic scripting is generally reusable, meaning that developers can use the same code in different scripts. This makes it easier to maintain and update scripts as needed.
The disadvantages: limited functionality. Basic scripting is limited in its capabilities and cannot process complex tasks. Limited accessibility. Basic scripting is not available on many popular operating systems and can be difficult to access. Poor readability. Poor code readability. Basic scripting is difficult to read and understand, making it difficult to debug and maintain. Poor security. Basic scripting is less secure than more advanced scripting languages, making it vulnerable to malicious attacks. Poor performance. Basic scripting can be slow and inefficient, resulting in poorer performance.
We have here a simple greeting program in Bash shell. This code is used to give someone a friendly greeting. It echoes out a few lines of text, then asks the user to input their name. After the user inputs their name, the code echoes out the same lines of text, but with the user's name inserted. The members of our group are Christopher John GALEON, Cyle Audrey Villarte, TIRSO LOUISE GACCION, JETHRO de la CRUZ, and Norlex NINO PILOTON. This is gonna be the end of our presentation. That's all. Thank you.